Text rotation in Excel is just a click away. First, you just need to select the cells that you want to rotate, and then click on the orientation button and choose the rotation you want. This is angled counterclockwise. After you've selected the rotation, you can still adjust the sizes of the columns. I'm going to select the cells again, and this is vertical text, and this is rotate text up. If you don't like what you've chosen and you want to go back to horizontal text, just select the cells, click the orientation button, and choose Format Cell Alignment. Over here for text orientation, adjust it to 0 and click OK, and you're back to where you started, and you can adjust the column sizes.